Hey guys, I'm in my greenhouse here doing my daily chores, and I figured I'd make a video. Take a look at the escarole. We've had major success over the first 2 months of growing in here, and we're about to turn over the crop to summer crops. We've been harvesting the lettuces, and you can see when you harvest the lettuces, they just grow right back. We've been eating the kale regularly, and the beet greens, and just, well, anything. And here we have some fava beans that are doing pretty nice. But we've been keeping this arugula alive because it's gone to seed. I explained how that goes to the seed and how these packets produce the seeds. Almost there, you can see the seeds coming in. You can see how there's individual seeds forming in these, but still has a little bit to go. And the unfortunate thing is these are infested with aphids. Take a look right here. See them all? Nasty. Okay, so we're going to just hit them real quick with some insecticidal soap spray. This is what we use in here. It's very simple. For a container like this, you just use a cap full of Dr.Bronners pure Castile peppermint soap. Don't get any other flavor. Get the pure peppermint. I also put a splash of neem oil in it. We shake it up, and we can just spray these babies down. This is just going to keep the aphid population down a little bit, so that I can continue keeping these plants in here going to seed safely. So that's all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit these with some aphids protection, aphid killer, and it's going to be pretty rough. I'm going to have to be very gentle taking these out of here. Show you some more fantastic things going on in the greenhouse. We've got Gerber daisies from last year coming out. Our magenta snapdragons are popping. I just harvested a bunch of fennel right here, and it's coming right back. Our fig is coming out. See the leaf there? We got lots of bees coming in and out of the greenhouse, filled with pollen. So the local bee population is really nice here. Take a look at the Mexican tarragon, Italian parsley. I plan to put some lettuces up here. Take a look at these Portuguese tree collards. Not only the bees get to eat these, I get to eat these every day. Absolutely delicious. You can just pull this down and eat it. Just like I did. Beets are looking fantastic. Daikon radish is growing real nice. Obviously the lettuces, we have some nice cilantro in here. Just looking good. Nothing else has got the, oh, there is one plant that's been affected by these aphids. And that's the cauliflower right here. You can see some aphids on there and over here, so we're going to just spray those guys. And let me show you about some of our starts and how they're doing. We got some noble spinach. There's our flamingo Swiss chard. Up here we've got snowball cauliflower. That's Ransom's hollyhocks. Some of our cucumbers. San Luis Valley pumpkin back there. Our lettuce is up top here. We've got a flat of escarole, another flat of noble spinach, flat of red romaine. Oh yeah. Some medicine. Turnip tops, kale, some peas. You get the picture. Hope you got something out of the video. We're growing food everywhere in every corner, and we're going to continue to plant more food. Because diversity is the key to keep the pests down. which is why we've got a lot of the same stuff right there, and they got a little bit infested. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Share this with like-minded people and get growing. Take a look at our blueberries. Awesome. Hit that like. Oh, that was bitter.